Once again, welcome back InCAR.nation family to another video. We are back. The thing is, let me quickly check. Today I think we're gonna do a day in the life because I don't have plans. The only thing I'm gonna do is throw some new spark plugs on the car, so that will be it. But I will try to. Oh yeah, and we need to wash it. Let me show you. We need to wash the car. You can see it's very dirty. Yeah, look at this dirt. My parents have been using this car now for I think a month. While I was away, because their car, or the big boy toy, is actually in for repairs. I will throw a photo in, or video. I will throw a video in of how far the car is. It will take a 1 week. It's a 1 week repair. So that will be, yeah, you will see that, and then we're gonna try our best to give you some content on this car. It's locked. Quite a mess in here, because as you can see, everything that's laying here was in the other car that we had to pick up. So today we're gonna, we also need to repair this. Look at this problem. So today, let me just today we're gonna install some new goodies. Just throw it there. Yeah, as you can see, this boot doesn't want to stay up. Need to replace the shocks. But anyway, today we're gonna install new goodies. So yeah, I think my father already replaced the rear shocks. I don't know if I can show you. Let me just get underneath. Yeah, as you can see, they are brand new shocks. I need to repair that, because that these guys, yeah, need to put that cable back in its place. So my father already replaced the rear shocks. Car still need front shocks, but I think I will do that. Yeah, car is very dirty. So I don't know if you have seen in the previous video, but when I introduced the car, I showed you the roof lining was sagging, as you will see there. And some of you, the eagle eye watchers, would have noticed that I think this one was broken. So in the meantime, while I was gone, my father actually went to another car and stripped out these, and this was also broken, this clip that holds in the sun visor. So yeah, the old one actually is. Let me quickly grab it. Yeah, here's the old one. As you can see, this one was actually broken off, and that thing. So my father went to another other car and stripped out those two. I think that's all he did, but unfortunately he didn't shoot some videos. So yeah, what else did he do? Nothing. Only left the dirty car, but that's no problem. I'll fix it. Oh, they also fixed. Normally this, if you pull inside, this wouldn't open. So now this is fixed. Let me just check here. Oh, just get that to open and switch out the spark plugs. So yeah, let's quickly do that. Let me advise you guys something. If working on Opals, get the correct tools, because let me just turn the side of sun. If you're working on Opals now, get the correct tools, because a quick job can turn into a 2-hour, 1-hour job, just because you don't have the correct tools. I don't know why Opel and Ford always want to complicate things, because now they could have just thrown in some 10mm bolts or something like that. But now we are working here with, what is this? Splines, brah. But yeah, I got it cracked loose now, so we're gonna change out the spark plugs. As y'all know, I'm not gonna show you the process, just because we all know how to throw on some brand new spark plugs. So yeah, this is me once again reporting live, coming back to tell you how important it is to get the proper tools to work on this car, because I just took off the cover, as you would see in the previous clip. Just took off the cover, so now I'm here once again facing the same issues with the spline head bolts, right? This one is it's not make sure. Yeah, nah. Sorry, I'm looking a bit rusty, nah. Yeah, this is a problem for me because I don't seem to find the tool or the socket or ratchet or just something that would work there. So I don't know if I should call it quits. I mean, it's still early in the morning. I can take the whole day to search for that part. But yeah, people tries the correct tool. Yeah. I like to think of it. I like to think I'm a genius now. But let me show you something. Let me show you boys something. I will definitely, you see me, I will throw out these bolts. I'll throw them out. I'll put in tens. But check what I've come up with. You see, this one. Choice number 8. Slanum saw. Same with this one. This one will be a little bit difficult. But yeah. Yeah, you see. Let me show you again. You see, cranked it loose. Check this one. Cranked it loose, Papa. Hello. Cranked it loose. This one will be a struggle. This one will be a struggle, but let me see. Yeah, I will do that one off camera. Me, I would never be, nothing will defeat me. I'll make a plan for it to work. Tens, Pop, not even tens. You see this spanner, number 8. Take the open can, open side. And via this thing, you open it up, bruh. Yeah, I'm just stretching the video at this point because I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. So, and yeah, I want to give you some personality today, man. I feel like the videos, there's no demeanor, there's no spice in it, bruh. And the other thing is, check out. Thank you for those who subscribe. Nah, I'm happy now. It's a happy session for me. Thanks to those who subscribe to the video, to my channel. We're actually now at 122 subscribers, which for me is a lot. That is actually a milestone for me that I've reached. So yeah, I'm very grateful for the subscription, for those who subscribe. Go check out the video where I introduce this car to the channel. Push that video to 1k views. Hey, I'm not asking for a lot. Push it to 1k views. I think it's currently sitting at 800 and something, so we still need 200 more, or not even 200, 100 and something more, 190 something more. Yeah. And the other thing is, do continue to subscribe to the channel, please. This one I'm doing it for me and for you guys who's into cars and who loves seeing automotive content. You can see after a long session of yapping and struggling, I didn't even struggle that hard. I managed to take out all the bolts now. So now, am I even at the correct place? I'm at the correct place. Okay, so now all you have to do is lift up this cover, pull it out. I think this is a coil pack. You see, let me show you. This is a complete coil pack for all 4 spark plugs. Complete coil pack for all 4 spark plugs. In one, this is one unit, but you can see there's the coils. In there is the spark plugs. I will quickly switch out the spark plugs and then I will clean up. So yeah, let me show you something. So as you can see now, spark plugs are in there, so it's hard to reach. Come up with this just to hook it up. Let me show you. I'm a genius. Yeah, and also, it's hot. Check this out. The spark plugs are actually burning quite good. They are burning quite good, but this is a comparison between the old one. You can see, as you can see there, the old one. Check there. That's how the old one looked. That's how it burned. And here's the new one. Gonna throw in the new one now, and then we will be new one going. The spark plugs are thrown on. New set. So everything is now. Now let me quickly give it a start up. Not necessary, but I just feel like doing it. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, as I said, not necessary, but I just feel like doing it. Just want to start up the car. Few other goodies here. I will show you now that I want to throw on the car. I think it's time for me to do a few upgrades, a few mods via playing our music in the car. So the first mod I did on the car was changing the radio. So let me show you what I have now. Got the wiring. Y'all know what time it is if you see the wiring. And we got a sub. So yeah, this is my old stuff. I've been rocking this since the first car I had. Just when the time comes to sell the car, I'm just taking them out, store it, buy a new one, throw them in again. So now it's time to put this in the new car. Due to the shocks that is done, I came up with this. Yeah, this will stay in the car for time being until I can afford new shocks for the boot. So yeah, I don't know. Y'all can comment down below what you think. I don't want to cut the board, but I don't know where else to install the 6x9s. So if I cut it out nice and neat, that will mean that this board will not come out, and that's exactly what I don't want. So yeah, comment down below what you think. What your what do you think? I will quickly pre-fit the sub, then I will show you. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, sub is pre-fitted. Don't mind the mess in the boot. I'll clean it up now. Yeah, this still needs to get in some screws and clean up, but yeah, the space, I don't know if I'm feeling this one, but yeah, boot space, yeah, the thing is taking up a little bit of boot space, but no problem. Who needs it anyway? So yeah, I'm gonna throw in that, leave it in the car up until I buy the new fuse for the wiring, the battery wiring, and then I will install the whole setup. But that will also be in this. As you have seen in the previous clip, let me show you. We have pre-installed the sub, so the sub is in. As you can see, sub is in. So now we are struggling. These cars, they are bugged. So now we are just redirecting the power wire. So it's gonna run this side. It's gonna run all the way to the back. Here's the wire. We just have to put in the fuse, which you will see, and then the fuse and a piece of the wire will run all the way to here. And I think I'm gonna connect it here. There's the positive wire, so it's running all the way this side through here, down the fender, all the way in. There you will see the red wire, so it's gonna go underneath this covers here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything once I'm done. Yeah, so the wires are in. Let me show you. Wires are in. As you can see, covers are back. Nothing, everything is stuck. So this was our problem. This was the thing that was holding us up, the fuse. So we just went to the shop to buy it. Zaki, call me. So yeah, we've just bought the switch, the fuse. So we're gonna throw on the fuse. So yeah, so as you can see there the wire is. So the switch is gonna come this side. Switch is gonna be here. I'm gonna put the switch in, and then I will add this side. I will add this side. I will add another piece of wiring. So yeah, then that will be sorted. And then all we have to do is throw in the. Let me show them. All we need to do then is throw in the amp. I'm just waiting for my friend who has my amp. So I'm gonna charge the amp there. Sorry for the angle I'm holding the camera now. But let me show you the wires. How fast we? Substance. Okay, so as you can see, this is the RCA leads. They are in. RCA leads plus the remote wire. So that is in. This side we have the red wire coming all the way from the battery. That's in. So we are just waiting for the amp to amp and connect this, and then we will be sorted. Peace out. Welcome back. It's actually the next day. So we've been waiting for the amp, and the amp finally arrived. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up with what I started. Here's the amp, Star Sound amp. Here's all the wires. I just bought this 0 gauge this morning, and a 1 meter speaker wire. Let me show you. Speaker wire to connect to the amp and the sub. And then after that, I need to throw on the fuse, and then yeah, then I will show you afterwards when I'm done how it plays. So yeah, as you can see, the fuse is on. We are just gonna connect this now, and then if we come to the booth, you will see here's the whole setup. Didn't start yet. To connect it, we will connect it, and then then we will be sorted. Sub is in. Bass is slapping. Yeah, so we are done that side. I'm not gonna play for too long because due to copyright reasons. But yeah, that will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think the next mod should be on the car. Peace out.